Hello and welcome to Mastering ChatGPT for Cyber Threat Intelligence. My name's Josh Egan and I'm really excited to present this course today. This is an in-depth course designed to help you harness ChatGPT in threat intelligence. This course is tailored for individuals eager to understand and apply ChatGPT's capabilities in threat intelligence and cybersecurity. So let's dive into what this course has to offer. This course is broken down into 6 sections and provides a mix of content, including a ChatGPT walkthrough, scenarios, and presentations. There is also a total of 5 quizzes, from Section 2 to Section 6, containing 10 multiple choice questions each. We will then conclude with a course overview and look into some further study. So let's take a look at Section 1. We will kickstart your journey by understanding how ChatGPT functions within the cybersecurity landscape. You'll discover the basics, including setting up a ChatGPT account and crafting effective prompts for cybersecurity-related inquiries. We will then move on to legal and ethical considerations and legalities surrounding the use of ChatGPT in cybersecurity. You will learn about the potential for unethical use, including phishing, malware, and deepfakes, and how to protect against these. We will then move on to Section 3, and this is where we'll delve into the world of cyber threat intelligence, starting off with defining what cyber threat intelligence is, before learning about the different types of intelligence and the threat intelligence lifecycle. You will then gain an understanding of the different ways we can implement cyber threat intelligence effectively using ChatGPT. Section 4 is where we'll get a bit more technical. We will enhance your skills in open source intelligence. Firstly, we will develop an intelligence collection plan before learning how to identify threat groups and analyze threat data. This section is dedicated to streamlining intelligence gathering and analysis with ChatGPT. Now, AI is a competitive landscape, and in Section 5, we will gain an understanding of the AI arms race and how AI-powered threats are evolving. We'll also learn about AI's role in phishing detection and other cybersecurity measures. Our final section, Section 6, will be spent applying what we have learned through a hands-on scenario, designed to test your knowledge and skills using ChatGPT, before gaining an understanding of EC Council's Certified Threat Intelligence Analyst Certificate. For this course, any modern operating system will be sufficient. A ChatGPT 4 account is also an advantage. So let's get started.